Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And today's Friday. I'm super excited for this video because we're going to be looking at affiliate marketing essentials. What is this strategy? What is the training that I'm talking about with affiliate marketing? Do you want to get started with affiliate marketing in 2024 or not? I hope this video will help you learn the strategies that I am doing myself. I'm just documenting everything on this channel, so I'm excited to share with you guys my journey as well in 2024. I've had an amazing time in 2023 following this strategy, and I'm going to be continuing to share with you on this channel. So let me hop onto my computer and get into it. Great guys, here I am on my laptop, and before I go ahead and share with you the exact strategy, I want to welcome you back to the channel. It's a Friday. I really love Fridays because I get to talk about the strategy. On a Monday and a Wednesday I talk about the strategy as well, but just on different parts and elements to it. Today is where we put things together, and see how things work congruently. And that's the whole point of the Friday video. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, you're learning, you're doing your due diligence, if it's a something to do on the side or not, or maybe full-time, or getting starting with it, whatever the need is for you to arrive to this video, I'm glad that you're here because I'm super excited to share with you guys this strategy this year. But more than anything else, I had, just to give you guys a little bit of an update, I had an amazing 2023 in terms of just focusing myself on keeping the strategy to a limited amount of time because I do have a full-time job. I work on affiliate marketing on the side. I'm very passionate about it. And guys, if you don't know, affiliate marketing is mainly about skill sets that help you pave the way forward. What do I mean by that? I mean basically two main skill sets are needed with affiliate marketing: advertising and copywriting. These help you walk ahead, move forward. If you're stuck as an affiliate marketer, go back to the basics and think about these two things. If you're doing your due diligence also, think about these exact two skill sets. So anything that I share with you, results all on this video and stuff like that, are not typical. These are my results. This is my journey. I'm documenting my journey on this channel. So please do your own due diligence and make sure that you're working ethically in order for you to actually get these results. That being said, all the disclosures and everything, disclaimers are very much in the description of this video. So I want to keep myself clear and very concise and compliant with how I'm sharing this information with you guys. So that being said, my whole priority with affiliate marketing was I do not want to spend too much time. I've had my successes, I've had my failures online, I've used social media, I've used free marketing and stuff like that, but I've spent a lot of time as well online. Last year, I decided that I wanted to reduce the amount of time that I spend online and still be able to practice affiliate marketing. How do I go about doing that? Well, this strategy helps. And guys, by the way, if you want to get this strategy at any point of time, the link is in the description of this video. And before I go ahead, I forgot to mention this and I want to get it out of the way already. So hit the subscribe button and the bell notification if you are interested in any of the videos that I'm sharing. If you like the way I'm documenting on this channel, just if you want to support me as well, hit that subscribe button. Okay? I post 3 videos a week. You get these tips, and I also have my Facebook group and everything else available if you guys need further support. As I said, I wanted to spend less time online. I wanted to create a strategy that I would be able to do this. And obviously that mindset I had was, in order for me to do this, I need to be able to pay for advertising so that I'm able to have a consistent flow if I'm not doing free advertising. Because if you're doing free advertising, at some point you're spending a lot of time creating your audience, your community with your social media platforms and so on and so forth, and then you move over to paid. But what I started with is a little bit of the opposite right here, right? I started off with paid, but I have the right mindset, and that's what is, sometimes a lot of people don't understand this, but it is going to take at least a year. You need to have that dedication for at least 12 months, in my opinion, and further, for you to build the consistency, for you to get used to the habit of doing advertising and also email marketing or copywriting, because that is the key skill sets that you need. It improves over time and it keeps improving over time. But if you give yourself 12 years, 12 months, that's going to be useful for you, right? That's going to give you the data that is more strategic in your planning and growing and so on and so forth. So that's why I personally looked at paid advertising. So what the strategy is about, just to briefly explain it to you, and then I will go into the different elements of it. Usually you see step two. This is how most marketers will share affiliate marketing, that you have an advertising source that goes to a landing page or a capture page or a squeeze page that collects an email that collects the data. And then you have a thank you page, which is talking about yourself most probably. And then it goes to an offer that you are an affiliate of and that you own. Why do I say an offer that I own? Is because I only want to be affiliated or associated with products or tools, softwares that I personally am using. If I'm not using it, I don't share it. That's simply it. It's just my way of working. I know that other affiliates do not do it this way, but I feel that this is the more ethical way, just because of I want to be a product of the product, if I put it that way. And then that makes me a sale. At the same time, I'm collecting an email address, which is the primary goal. And then I can have other offers, which I own, also being shared within my email campaigns, which is all automated. So the second step can be very manual, but because I'm using a tool like System.io, and by the way, all the resources are in the description below. Because I'm using a tool, the tool helps me automate a lot of my time. So I'm making sales while I sleep. I'm making sales while I'm working. I'm making sales. I'm not, actively doing it myself, but because I've set up the automation, everything works on its smoothly on its own for me. And it doesn't really matter what time zone. We're taking advantage of having the internet, right? That's the whole point here also. So usually people explain or only focus on the second step. I added step one for one specific purpose. The purpose of step one is, as I call it, a cash flow generation step. Why? Because I wanted to, I didn't want to pocket that cash flow. I wanted to create a cash flow because I didn't want to enter into my own budget, my personal budget from my salary and everything else to be able to pay for traffic. But I wanted myself to create a cash flow, a monthly consistent cash flow that I could then reinvest in paid advertising. So utilize that budget. And as my sales start to increase, that budget also of paid advertising increases. And then I take just a portion. I usually in the beginning, I would focus on 80-20%. So 80% goes back into the business, and this means consistent flow of advertising to my sales process, my sales funnel. So consistent flow to step two, or I can have also YouTube videos or other videos, TikTok, whatever, going to step two. But because I'm using paid traffic, I purely use paid traffic, goes everything to step two this way. That's the whole process. So it's a very simple element that I added before. And the primary goal there is to get a commission so that you can use that funds from the commission to be able to buy traffic. Hopefully this is clear. How do I go about doing this? I do have a cost, and this whole entire strategy, by the way, to run this this strategy cost me just $30 a month. That is what it does. Why is the cost is minimum? So I don't have a huge monthly expenditure. I reduce my expenditure completely, and I'm going to share with you how. Because before I had the same structure, but I had a very high cost monthly expenditure because of the tools and the software that I was using for my automation. So I reduced that by transferring my entire business over to a tool, which I will share with you in a second. And so that reduced my cost completely by $200 actually. And I'm only spending $30 every single month to be able to tap into an advertising source, as well as a source that helps you practice email marketing that I send to an offer, a sales page of an offer, which basically gets me a commission. When I get a commission from that, I use those funds into my traffic. So I'm giving you a clear understanding of this strategy. So I use basically MLGS, which gives me 100 to 200 leads every single day. All resources, as I said, are going to be in the description. Then this goes to an offer that I have on Warrior Plus. Now, just to give you guys an idea, this can be an offer on Warrior Plus. This can be an offer on ClickBank, on any other Digistore, on any other what's it called, affiliate marketing network that you are a part of. Now, for example, Warrior Plus recently, this is a very recent update, but I want to make sure that it's in my videos, has a way to be, in order for you to be an affiliate, you have to pay a $5 fee, which is basically you're applying in Warrior Plus to be an affiliate, and you have to pay a $5 fee in order for you to then get access to all the products. And further than that, there's a second step, which you have to request access to the products. But at that point of time, you're already, let's say, a paid affiliate. You're an affiliate that has you're not going to spam links. They basically want to make sure that you are a legitimate affiliate who wants to grow their business online and not to spam things. Okay, so this is, I think it's an important change to mention, so I just want to mention that to you guys. So it costs $5 to have Warrior Plus one time. That's really up to you if you want to get started this way or not. If you don't, and you want to use ClickBank, or you want to use any other affiliate marketing network, that's absolutely fine as well. The structure still remains the same. I use Warrior Plus, so I basically go to my Legion Secrets every day. I send an email out to Warrior Plus offer, I make a sale, and then the commissions are in Warrior Plus. Just to show you guys a little bit of some proof. Again, these are my results, guys. I'm not, exaggerating. This doesn't mean it's going to be possible for you, but I want to give you guys an idea, literally of last year. So we'll go to January 2023 to January 2024. Let's see how this is going. So you can see that I got started in February, and every single month there has been commissions that are coming. This is consistently following the strategy. It is a combination of, step one and step two. However, it's majority step one in last year, and this year I'm focusing a much more on step two. We are, let's see how January goes. Okay, I give you guys a monthly update every single month, so you can check that out. But as I mentioned, these are the steps. So I send from my Legion Secrets to Warrior Plus, which then I get a sale, and then I utilize that to purchase more advertising to my sales funnel, which, as I showed you here, is available as well. Now, by the way, I did not mention, but the Affiliate Marketing Essentials course that I do have, which explains this entire strategy, there is a bonus there, which you can get a free funnel from myself. The tool that I use for me to host everything is called System.io. It is absolutely free to join if you want to get started. Link again is in the description. And I will also leave a link to the annual plan in case you want to get started with the startup plan. If you do get the annual plan, please reach out to me, because I might have some bonuses for you. And I will have some bonuses specifically for you if you do get started with the annual plan. But that's really up to you to decide. You can get started absolutely for free. And with System.io, basically, I have everything here, including my courses. Everything is all hosted on System.io. It's an amazing tool, in my opinion, all for free. You can get started. I then use System.io to email, to host my sales funnels, and also basically that's the main two things that you need it for as an affiliate marketer. Then the rest is if you create courses, if you want products, and stuff like that, you can also use it. But these are the primary tools we would need as an affiliate marketing email software system, basically an email marketing system and a sales funnel system. And System.io has both, and absolutely for free. I then send advertising basically to a landing page, to this page right here that you can find in the description of this video. That then goes to a bridge page, and then goes finally to, which has a sales video for myself and stuff like that, which then goes to an offer that I own, and then I make a sale. When the emails go through, you can see, if I go to my reports, let me just go to transaction and just look at last 30 days, it's fine. You will see that you can see email 3, there was a sale, email 4, there was a sale. So I'm getting sales on my emails as well, and through the system itself. So this is how the entire strategy works. I don't know if you guys have any questions. I'm just going to look up at my screen for a second, because I want to make sure that I covered everything. But this is a beginner training, because at the end of the day, this entire strategy that I have teaches you two skills. It teaches you how to advertise consistently. Like, you need a year's worth, in my opinion, if you're on a tight budget, whether it's free or whether it's even paid. You need consistent 12 months of data before you can start to scale up, because within those 12 months, let's say your advertising source, and by the way, guys, I share with you everything in my course. So exactly how to implement step one, exactly how to implement step two, the traffic sources, the advertising sources that I use. You get a free funnel with me as well. So there's a lot of these courses, there's a lot of value within just this one course that I've created. So you can find that below. But this is the structure, and the emails go out with a different campaign. Now, just to show you guys, if I sign in, I want to show you guys my campaign that I have. So if I go to campaigns right here, you'll see I have 43 emails, guys, 43 emails within this campaign. And so that means it goes for about 2 months for now. And I will add a little bit more so that it is congruent enough and has everything in place. So I hope you see the structure right here. So it goes through step one. When I make the commission, then I take those funds and I use it in step two, and then it continues. And then as the commissions come through, again, I send more traffic to step two. So this is a cycle, and it's working. It's like a machine that's working for itself. Whether I'm out, at running, or with my dog for a walk, or whatever it is that I'm doing, cooking, I could still make sales because of this kind of structure. So it's automating a lot of my time. It's saving me a lot of time. And that's the whole point of how I'm doing this structure. So if you have any questions, as I said, you can, let me know below. If you want to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because next week we will cover specifically how you can save more time with affiliate marketing as a beginner. I'm going to repeat that: save more time as an affiliate marketer. That's what I'm going to be covering next week. Hit that, let me know if you have any questions, guys, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.